Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on the SwiftJet car foam sprayer. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button. The bell icon will be notifying new videos. And I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay folks, first of all, this is a special review. Thanks to SwiftJet for offering the product for review. I'm not paid by SwiftJet, so I'm going to give my honest opinion. It's a car foam sprayer, alright? And car foam sprayer package contents are 1 hose sprayer, 1 soap mixing bottle, 1 quick release hose connector, 1 mesh water filter, and water pressure 2.5 bar to 6 bar. So there's also product weight and also the capacity listed over there as well. Any questions? There's a contact address and email address. SwiftJet car foam sprayer. It's a good product to buy in alternative to, say, getting a pressure washer, and it's also lower price as well. So I'll post a link in the description if you're interested. Let's start out with the unboxing. I do want to mention one thing. It comes with a free gift inside. You probably will see that once I unbox it. And all the components you need to wash your car is actually in the box itself. So once you unbox it, you'll notice the wash mitt. So the blue wash mitt comes with it. So that's really nice. You know, even though it's a very tight box, they use every inch inside the box. Okay, so this is the soap mixing bottle. You can see there's different settings on the top, and also you could connect the nozzle, the garden nozzle, I guess, to the top of this unit over here. Very good material, and there's a knob that changes. 0 is off, A is the lowest, and all the way to the highest is E. So it's just a rotary knob over here in particular, right? Alright, so what else you see? Well, there's a manual that comes with this SwiftJet car foam sprayer user manual. So very detailed. The pictures are not the easiest to see. I just want to mention that, but you could probably make it out. And how to use the foam sprayer. What else you see? Well, you're going to see attachments inside. There's the long attachments. There's 2 short attachments. And this is the nozzle that I've been talking about. It's a very good quality material. So for the spray nozzle, right? So you need to replace the garden hose nozzle with this one. And there's a quick release type of thing over here, you know. So you need to snug it in, then it'll lock in place. If you just do like this, it won't lock in place. Let me just show you that right now. So it'll come out, but you have to push all the way in, do the same thing, and pull the sleeve back, right? There you go. Now it's locked in place. Simple as that. Very easy to use, right? And you know, on the end over here, this is where you use the long attachment or the very small one. Okay, so over here you connect your garden hose, by the way. So you have 3 different attachments that come with this product overall, and you're gonna have the long one and the short one, and also one that makes your hose. The one you connect over here is the long one, and the super small one. So you can have a vertically, it work, but I think you probably want to have it horizontally so you could put a bit more soap and water on your vehicle. It doesn't lock in, and of course on the bottom you got your hose, and just aim and spray, and you got soap and water on your vehicle. It saves you a lot of time in particular, instead of just putting soap on and putting more soap on. And you can lock it like this over here on the nozzle if you like. And that part is optional. All right, I do want to show you another item. This one over here on the bottom. It looks like it's an attachment that goes on the bottom that twists. So I think it's really meant for smaller hose out there. So for those folks that use this type of device that need to connect, there's a tool for that. Put in a comment below if that I made the right assumption for that, because I won't be using it. I don't have any hose that small. And you're ready to use it to wash your vehicle. You do need to get soap. Yes, this is the mesh part that protects it from those little rocks that clogging your unit. So when you wash, make sure you do the quick release. I already put the soap, the detergent. This is not the foaming type, unfortunately. I don't have that. Then you just spray on your vehicle, right? Good to pre-wash before you use this product. Pre-wash your vehicle, get all the dirt out initially with the rinse, then you can use this dispenser, right? So positive and negative about this unit. It does depend on your water pressure. So during different days or different times, you may have higher water pressure. You're going to get better results with this product as opposed to using at times with low water pressure. Then you're going to have something like this. So this is not going to be the strongest water pressure I'm having right now. And you can see the results show that. But definitely still puts the soap on your vehicle. Then you use the wash mitt to clean your vehicle. Then you can just spray it off. Just take out the soap mixing bottle, then wash it, and with the hose, with the nozzle. This one doesn't really do a whole lot, I think, but I do want to show you the video of it. So it's just like great for spraying, I guess, in particular. And this one I did in the day before, another take, and this one's a lot stronger, higher water pressure, and you can see that over here. So it really lays down the soap. If you're using a foaming soap, then definitely your results may even be better. So that's the thing. Different settings. I found using the E is the best for me because I like to get a lot of soap in my vehicle. I'm going to soak it with soap, right? So that's the one to use. Then your results may differ. And if you want to lower it, just turn it down to like say C, right? Or D. So you're going to get different results with that in particular. Very handy, lightweight unit. I don't have any problems with it. Very easy to assemble and clean up. Make sure you clean up, otherwise there's soap or anything like that could clog the unit for a long period of time. So then you can use the garden hose, wherever, to clean it up. Yes, it's good to use the wash mitt. So I filmed this before I really started using the wash mitt. So that's how it looks like. And I'm glad that they included that, and it's very reasonably priced. So okay, here's my pros and cons. Yours may differ. All right, first of all, the pros. What I like about it, it's very easy to use. It's inexpensive, very sturdy product. Everything's good quality. Even includes a wash mitt, and it's very lightweight. So all you need to do is put soap in the mixing bottle, right? That's all you need to do. It doesn't matter if it's foaming soap or regular soap. I just put regular car wash soap in there, and it works great. You can see from the 2 video clips over there. So what I didn't like so much, definitely, it's not going to be a pressure washer type of a result, right? It's not going to make your car look like a snowman or snow, right? So and again, it really does depend on your water pressure. So if your water pressure is low or high, your results may vary. So that's the thing I want to point out. One other thing I want to point out is please help me with a thumbs up if you like this video, so other people could see the video. If you have a comment, please post it below if it helps others. And I see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.